In this lesson, we'll learn about daily routine vocabulary with sentences. At the end of the lesson, we have a quiz.
It's me, Lily. I am 30 years old and live in a big city by the sea in the Middle East. If I want to describe myself in a few sentences, I am a quiet girl who loves to rest and be in nature, and also likes meditation and cycling. Now that you know me a little, come with me to see a day in my life. Wake up. I usually wake up early in the morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm and stretch my arms. Get up. I usually get up the bed 5 minutes later. Open the curtains. I open the curtains to see sunshine. Open the window. I open the window for fresh air. Make the bed. I usually make the bed after get up. Go to the toilet. I go to the toilet and urinate. Wash hand. I wash my hands with liquid soap. Put. I put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth for a few minutes. Wash face. I splash some water and wash my face. Rinse mouth. I rinse my mouth with salt water every day. Practice yoga and meditate. I usually practice yoga and meditate in the morning. Take a shower. I take a quick shower after yoga. Dry hair. I dry my hair with a hair dryer. Comb hair. I comb my hair and I know that I have hair loss. Apply skincare. I apply skincare and moisturizer. Spray perfume. I spray perfume on my hands and neck. Put on makeup. I put on light makeup every morning. Prepare breakfast. I prepare my breakfast in a healthy way. Fry egg. I fry egg twice a week for breakfast. Eat. I eat my breakfast in a quiet place with music. Have breakfast. Sometimes I have breakfast with my parents in the yard. Drink. I usually drink a cup of tea or coffee after breakfast. Check. I check my phone and the emails on my laptop after breakfast. Read. I read the news on my phone every morning. Take. I take my vitamins every day. Get dressed. I get dressed after checking news and my daily schedule. Wear. I wear my wristwatch and sunglasses. Put on. I put on my shoes. Now I'm ready for work. Leave. I leave the house with smile.
According to the video, which one is correct? 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 According to the video, which one is correct?